just going up. I'm not coming down. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we'll be looking at another pentatonic run. This time, it's going to be a reverse of the previous one we did. All right, so if you're excited, let's get right into it. In the previous lessons or the previous ones, if you've watched them, we did pentatonic runs coming down the scale, right? All right. In this one, I'm just gonna take it up the scale. So it's the same pentatonic run we've been doing, where it's the C sharp pentatonic scale, but we add a 7 as a pivot. So start with that, with the C sharp, and with a C, da, 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 da. Okay? Then you come under just like the C major scale. Okay, so then you start to run it fast. Da, da. All right. Okay, so if I'm just going to the C sharp chord, I can just do right. So if I'm just playing chord progression in A flat, so I played it A flat, five. Okay, well, let me play a similar chord progression I played in the previous video. So 1, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5. Right. Right. So that's where you start to get all those kind of fills, right? Because I do the ascending one, I can just do it feels like something really nice, feels like something really really extraordinary or advanced, but it's not that advanced. Like can just do in the same pentatonic. I can just do see why I like the black keys, because I'm able to do this kind of thing. You can't do it's not so easy to do them in the white keys, right? But that's fine. So all right, so getting back to it, ascending. So let's start from slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, and a bit faster. A bit faster. Just don't rush through it. You have to go with the metronome. 1, my piano sound is a bit lagging, but you get the idea, right? So 1, all right, excellent. One way I use this, so you can obviously use this kind of thing when you're playing something over the C sharp chord. Let's see if it works nicely over the A flat chord. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it works, but it works nice over the C sharp. That I must admit. Yeah, and note one thing. What goes nicely over C sharp chord will go nicely over the A minor, the B flat minor as well, right? Why? Because the C sharp major will share the same notes as A sharp minor. So the C sharp major scale is like this. The B flat minor scale is, they share the same notes, right? It's just like seeing the C sharp major scale started on the on the B flat, just like C major scale is these notes, and then the A minor scale is also these notes, all white, just like that. So whatever you're learning, this pentatonics, you can play it on C sharp. So that's why you can see me sometimes do, and I'm showing you all my secrets, right? Now this, what I'm doing, I'm just playing 6, and I'm just playing with the runs, right? So the reason why when I play this run and I land on the F, it sounds really good as well on the F sharp chord, because the F sharp 7 agrees very much with that note. That's the 7th of the chord. So I can do the up scale, right? Now I'm going to the 4 again, the up scale. So you at least practice this. One to hit the C and then one to hit the F. So right. And if you're watching this, don't think it's too complicated. Just slow it down, because it's exactly the same thing. I'm just playing or I can end anywhere, but I can end on any note I want, right? Within this, within the pentatonic scale, right? So that's one last one. So 2. I'm just going up. I'm not coming down. All right. I can of course end here as well for the F sharp major. It's not a problem. Let's do that. Let's try that. All right. It even sounds beautiful, because then you have like a very weird sharp 11 kind of sound, right? Sorry, I didn't want to play the reverse, but you already know it from previous videos, so I'm allowed to. All right. And as you know, on this channel, I don't like to play anything that I have not talked about. So if I'm playing those wild stuff, it's because we've already talked about it. So if you've not seen that, you should probably check the previous videos, and then you understand me a lot more. All right. So I want you to just go out, go all out, take these simple chord progressions, and whenever you have C sharp or F sharp or B flat minor chord coming in, you can, or A flat major, you can play this single pentatonic run over all these chords, right? C sharp major, A flat major, B flat minor, F sharp major. Works very nice. And let me know if you figure out some other chords which also works really nice with this simple one. All right, so excited to join me in this lesson, and I'll certainly see you in the next one.